Here's how to remove voices in ElevenLabs. First, in the left sidebar, go to Voices. Then look for the voice that you would like to remove. This can either be a voice that you cloned, or it can also just be a regular voice from ElevenLabs voice library. So for example, let's say I would like to remove my cloned voice right here. In order to do that, we have to go to View here on the right side, and then at the bottom, we will find the Delete button right here. Simply click on it to remove the voice. And click on Remove Voice again to confirm. Now, if you don't find the delete button for a certain voice, then here are the two possible reasons. First of all, unverified professional voice clones cannot be deleted. You should contact the ElevenLabs support if you need help with this. And secondly, if you have shared a voice with the voice library, you will need to stop sharing it before you can delete it. I will leave a link to this FAQ page here from ElevenLabs in the description of this video, so if you have indeed shared a voice, you can consult this FAQ and then click on this link here in order to find out how to delete the voice that you've shared with the voice library. And that's it, guys. This is how you remove voices in ElevenLabs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more ElevenLabs tutorials.